Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to live stream on YouTube Shorts using OBS Studio. If you want to live stream in a vertical format and appear in the YouTube Shorts feed, I will show you the easiest way to set everything up from start to finish. Let's get started. First, download and install the latest version of OBS Studio if you haven't already. You will find the official download link in the video description. Once OBS Studio is installed, open it. If this is your first time using OBS, the auto configuration wizard may open automatically. If it doesn't, click Tools. Then select the auto configuration wizard. Choose Optimize for streaming. Then click Next. For your video settings, choose a resolution of 1920 x 1080. Set the frame rate to 60 fps if your computer and internet connection can handle it. Otherwise, 30 fps also works well. Click Next. Select YouTube as your streaming service. Sign into your YouTube account or enter your stream key manually if you prefer. Then click Apply Settings. Now let's switch OBS to a vertical canvas. Click File. Then select Settings. Open the Video tab. Change the base canvas resolution to 1080 x 1920. Set the output scaled resolution to 1080 x 1920 as well. Click Apply. Then click OK. Your OBS canvas is now ready for YouTube Shorts. Now let's set up your audio. Click File. Then select Settings. Open the Audio tab. Choose your microphone under Mic Auxiliary Audio. If you want to capture your computer sound, also select your desktop audio device. Click Apply. Then click OK. Now let's create your scene. Under the Scenes panel, click the plus button. Create a new scene. Give it any name you like. Next, under the Sources panel, click the plus button. Add display capture, game capture, window capture or video capture devices depending on what you want to stream. Resize and arrange your sources so they fit properly inside the vertical canvas. For example, you can place your gameplay at the top and your webcam near the bottom. Or if you only using your camera, simply resize it to fill the entire vertical canvas. If needed, right-click your source, select Transform, then click Center horizontally to align it perfectly. Now let's create your YouTube Shorts live stream. Open your browser. Go to studio.youtube.com. Click Create in the top right corner. Then select Go Live. Click Schedule Stream or create a new live stream. Enter your stream title. Choose your privacy settings. Upload a thumbnail if you would like. Then save the stream. Back in OBS Studio. Click Manage Broadcast if you are signed in to YouTube. Select your scheduled YouTube Shorts live stream. Or paste your stream key manually if you are using a custom stream key. When everything is ready, click Start Streaming. Your vertical live stream will begin and eligible viewers may discover it through YouTube Shorts feed. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to stream on YouTube Shorts using OBS Studio with a vertical layout. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.